Hi there, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about 5 important apps. Everyone should have them installed on the cell phone. They will help you one way or the other. For sure, you will find them very useful. As the journey from old phones to smartphones teach us that the soul of the smartphones are the apps. The good the apps installed, the more productive your phone is. So I advise you to have these 5 apps installed. They will help you a lot. We'll talk about them. We'll start with Winrar. This is the icon for Winrar app. It's very amazing powerful compression application that help you compress files and folders easy way so that you can copy them to any other device as you wish. It has a lot of features that make it one of the best compression programs. Imagine that you have a lot of files scattered in many folders and you want to copy them. It will be an annoying task, but with the help of RAR app it will be easy. For example, let's compress this folder. It will give you choices. We'll choose this add to archive, so we can choose which type of compression we need, RAR 5 or zip or RAR for the old version. Let's assume that I want zip compression and with this name, or I can change it. Press OK. Here you go. You have this one file. You can copy it to any other device and then extract it. Suppose we want to extract it now. It will give you this options, extract here, and because we have files already, it will ask us to replace those files, replace all or skip them. We'll choose to cancel and close here. Then I'll choose extract files. Here it can ask me to the path I want to extract to. Also I can select many other options. So I'm gonna cancel this. I don't want to extract it. If I copy it to other device, then I want to extract it. This is Super Backup. It's very important app. With it you can make backup for all your contacts, SMS messages, and also for other applications. In case you upgrade your phone, you have all this data ready. So you can make backup for applications. Select the application you want to back up. Just click backup and then you have it ready inside your phone. Also you can make backup for all contacts and then later on you can restore them. And you can do backup for calendars, pictures, SMS, call logs. Also it comes with the option you can have call recorder with it. This is Color Note. It's a very handy tool to write whatever you think of as a note or a checklist for later on. You can have a reminder for each one you create, and you can make backup for all your notes and copy them to other device. Suppose we want to make a new note, click here, and then it's note. You just click on text and then write your note, and then you have options to have a reminder for a time, and let's go back and make a new checklist. And then you can add items for the checklist. Item A. Next, if you have another one, and then OK. So we have 2 items done with that, and then You can have reminder also. You choose a time, whatever you need, and then go back. We have this example here, and then it's secure. You can have a password for each note, and you can make backup. The backup you have, you choose device and then you make backup. Also the backup can be secured with password, so it's very handy and very nice application. This is the icon for Force Stop Apps application. It's my favorite. It's amazing, powerful app that kill other apps when your phone gets heavy, slow because of too many running apps. And killing apps manually, it's a very hard task. It's not that easy, but with the help of this application, you just do it with one click. Let's see how it works. Click on it, and I have these running applications. I want to kill them and stop them. Just click on boost, and then it will take you to the permission page. Just click on Force Stop Apps and then say on instead of off. Click OK and watch it killing all other applications fast and easy and safe. This is ES File Explorer. It's one of the best application. You have them in your smartphone, because with it you can organize your files, you can copy and make folders and do all the things you do with files and folders in a similar manner like you do on your PC or laptop with Windows. Also, it makes sharing files very simple task by selecting a file and go to the share option. Whatever you have, applications, especially social media applications, you can use them with this option to share files from your phone to them. And it's just amazing. With networking also, it has a lot of features. There's no time to explain them all, but it's better if you used to it, you will enjoy it. Finally, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.